Today be the 10th day of December 2022, the second day of sit at home. This is Equator as we all can see the popular road, the busiest road in Imo State. You can see everybody is sitting at home. The whole shops is locked. Everywhere is locked. So everybody is compliant. Total 100% compliance. This is a main road. Lead the international market. This road lead to so many places. Akwa Ibom, Abia State, Enugu State. From here, you get Abia State, Enugu State, Akokwa. Then this is the Equator. Everybody is sitting at home. This one leads to Banana Junction and Fogidi. You can see everybody is so disastered. Everybody is sitting at home. This is the Equator, the busiest place. This place, normal day, great people used to be here. These are shops, but now everywhere is closed. So a lot of people complied very well, 100%.